Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of November 4th through the 10th. This is in my B&R Paper Crafts Plan B planner. This month is going to be crazy. So for this week, I'm using this kit from My Planner Life UK. It's a 2-page kit, and essentially it does all the setup for me. So if I can find it, I know I've used one of these kits not too long ago. I thought, at least. Let's see. Maybe it was longer ago than I thought. Oh, this one. At the end of July, I used one of these kits. This is how the spread turned out. So, pretty easy there. Doing the setup goes pretty fast. So my plan is to do this same kind of setup, but for here. So I'm going to be using this kit. I do have a new, oh, I already forgot how it was set up. Anyway, so putting the full box at the top. So today, full box to do the little checklist box, remember, hydrate, and the things down there. Okay, anyway, so my new printer prints slightly too small for reasons that I have not been able to figure out, despite the fact that I checked all of the settings everywhere. So this is slightly narrower than the columns, but it's going to be close enough, and I'm just going to go with it. The only thing I'm pulling in to go with is this iBuyM fine liner. It's in this brown color. I don't know. It's all in Japanese. I don't know what it's called, but probably brown. So I'm going to use that as well to put in the dates at the top. But I think I'm just going to do essentially the whole setup. I think I'm going to put it more or less in this order. We'll see when we get there. And then I will be back so that we can talk through what it's looking like. All right, here's where we're at right now. I think it's looking pretty good, honestly. I did add the lines here like I typically do, just so that I have someplace to check items off. I do have a couple things going on this week. Curling on Tuesday and Thursday. I'll probably just use the little workout spot for those. Tuesday is also election day. So I might mark something in there. And then Wednesday is also my grandma's birthday. So I might mark something in there, or I might just put a to-do to call her. We'll see how that goes. But I can always use this space down here if I need to, or put something up here. We'll make it work out. But I do like how this is going so far. So I don't think that there's going to be massive changes for the finished spread, but it will have everything all filled out. So stick around for just a second and you can see that finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. I think it turned out super cute. As usual, when I use one of these My Planner Life UK kits, I do have a decent amount left over. I have a couple habit trackers, some little round icons, some flags of various kinds, and some checklists. I'm gonna throw this all in my leftover stash. But if I don't mention it, it did come from that kit from My Planner Life UK. The flip side of using one of these kits and having a few things left is that I also basically just use the kit. So I did use a zebra mild liner for my pen up here at the top, and also to draw the lines down the side. I ended up just not totally filling in the to-dos over here, because quite frankly, I just don't have that many to-dos that needed to go on a list. So I called it good. All of these got filled in as hydration trackers, filled in a couple things along here. And then I did add a flag and a little dot here that I drew my own on, a little music note here, a little Christmas tree, just for things that we were doing. But I think overall the week turned out really good. Sorry if you can hear my cats in the background, they're running around. This half the week, basically shit. This half the week, personal life was pretty all right. So that part was nice. It was a good weekend. We went to the orchestra on Saturday and we went to Chris Kindle Market on Sunday. So those parts were really nice, but definitely tiring and stressful when we look at everything else. Anyway, as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know how your week went down below, or if you don't have anything that you want to leave, but you just want to say hi, leave me a leaf emoji. I would love to hear from you. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You'll see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, show you bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.